That was a short little break. We have Alex Sons here. He's going to perform for us. I don't know a whole lot about Alex, other than what I've heard him. I saw him doing on a video on YouTube. Sounded really good. Sounds like he's got some talent to share. So I'm anxious to hear it. I'm excited that he's here with us. So, got any words to say? No.
No.
All right.
Welcome, Alex.
Alright, so I play a lot of different types of music now. I play Christian music, and I write Christian songs now, and I play covers, and I play secular music, whatever. And I just love music. Alright, so I'm gonna play a couple songs I wrote. And this first one's my newest one. It's called I'm Not a Slave. It's based off of a verse in Romans 6:6. It says, "For we know our old self was crucified with him, so that the body so might be done away with, that we should no longer be slaves to sin." Alright, and so this song is basically saying, you know what, I've been saved and I'm not a slave to sin anymore. I'm a servant of Christ and He's freed me. Alright, so this is my newest song. I have a lot of fun playing it. You made me clean, and I was covered in filth. You give me grace, though I stumble still, but I am not a slave, and